Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. I've not been doing so many videos lately due to the fact that we have moved home, so we've been very busy with stuff like that. This video is 24 soundproofing tiles, and when I bought these I noticed in all the reviews people complaining about them being, the red ones in particular, not coming back, not springing back to the the full shape that they should be. So I thought I'd make this video, show you these and show you can bring them back to life. Being vacuum packed, they do get squashed down considerably. I mean, there's 24 tiles there. So yeah, we'll get on with opening it up. These cost, I forgot what it was now. These cost from Amazon £26.99. There'll be links in the description and all that if you want to take a look. So we're going to open them up now. Don't use a knife to do this, otherwise you'll damage your tiles. So we have our red tiles, our black tiles, and again in the reviews people complained that these were either not coming back to full size or were actually smaller than the black ones. As you can see, that won't be the case, I don't think. Just unwrap these. Now what we are going to do is we're going to skip the soaking and we're going to get straight to the blow drying. It's worked for me before, and to be honest, it just works. So that's what we're going to do. There's lots of people complaining that these red ones in particular, for some reason, don't recover to full shape, but they do. Just use an air dryer. And the people saying that the red ones are thinner than the black ones, that's also not true. As you can see, both exactly the same, just a different colour. Now on camera, I'm going to show you this working. Sorry about that, just position the camera a bit better. So I can put it a bit lower, just so you can see the peaks rising. Now a word of warning, there's 24 of these to do, and it might damage your air dryer, so use, I don't know, a cheap one if you've got one. If it has a thermal cutout, you'll probably find that it'll cut out a few times and then it'll come back on when it cools down. So just bear that in mind. So as you can see, that's brought them back into perfect pyramids. And that literally is all you have to do. You just have to do it 24 times and put up with your thermal cutout every so often. So as you can see, that's that finished. It does take a little bit of time, but you will get them back to where you need them. These stick on, they're not self-adhesive. You'll need some spray. You'll probably want to get the blow dryer on the back as well, just to strain it out so it sticks properly to your wall. So yeah, that's that. All those people are leaving these reviews really should do a bit more research before they complain, because there's really nothing wrong with them. They come up great if you just get an air dryer on them. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Bye.